Hello children, how are you? I hope you are doing great at home, safe and happy. So today we are going to learn about circle. This is 23rd lesson in your grade 8 textbook. Today we have to do an activity. So bring your textbook and writing book, and also we want paper, scissor and compass. So I separate this lesson into several topics. Here look at that: axis of symmetry, radius, center, diameter and chord. Those things you learnt in grade 6 and 7. And also you have to learn in grade 8 sector, segment and arc. Okay children, first let's see how to draw a circle using a compass. Do you remember? Grade 7 also you learnt about that. Look at that. There is a compass with a pencil and also here ruler. So I took 3 centimeters for this compass, but you can take as much as you like and mark a point like this, then rotate, keep your compass to that mark point and rotate this compass like this. Then you can obtain a circle. Okay children, now we are going to do an activity. So we want a circle. Then you can draw a circle using a circular object or compass. Now draw a circle in your paper and cut it. Then you can obtain a circle like this. Then now you can do activity. The first step of the activity is you have to fold this circle into 2 equal parts. Now you can see. Okay children, then unfold it again like this and unfold that circle. Then you have to mark this fold in line. Mark the fold in line. Okay. Now again you have to divide this circle into 2 equal parts, but different way. And usually unfold it and draw this fold in line. Then when we are doing this activity, you can obtain several lines like this. There are several lines in this circle. So those folding lines we can call axis of symmetry. That means a line which divides a circle into 2 equal parts is an axis of symmetry of that circle. Okay children, now you know what is the axis of symmetry. Grade 6 and 7 you learned about that theory. And next move to the parts of a circle. What are they? Look at that. Parts of a circle. There is a circle and there are so many symmetrical axes. They intersect each other. And that intersection point we can call center. So center means the point at which the axis of symmetry of a circle intersect is the center of the circle. Now you know what is the meaning of center. Next topic, Next, we talk about radius. Radius also we can define like this. A straight line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. So, how to draw that? There is a midpoint, that means center, and you can draw a line like that. So, how to name that radius? Look at that. When we draw a circle, there are 3 radii of this circle. I name it A, P, M, O. So, when we name that radii, you can write OM, ON and OP. Those are radii of the circle. Okay children, now you know what is the meaning of center and radius. Next, we talk about diameter of the circle. What is the diameter? Look at this. There is a circle and also center. Now, you know this is a symmetrical axis. So, the symmetrical axis we can call the diameter of the circle. Why? A straight line segment joining 2 points which are the points of intersection of an axis of symmetry, and the circle is a diameter of the circle. Diameter is a symmetrical axis of a circle. Now you know the center, radius and diameter, and also symmetrical axis. Next, we have to talk about chord of a circle. What is the chord? When we draw a circle, you can join 2 points of this circle. There is a line segment. This line segment we can call chord. What is the definition? A chord is any line segment that connects any 2 points on the circle. Okay children, now you know what is the chord. So, we move to the next slide. Look at that. There is a circle. So, I draw a chord in here. I use that point and draw another one. And here there are several chords here. Look at that. In this red line, what is this? This is the diameter. Diameter means symmetrical axis. So, we can take the diameter also a chord. When we think about the length of this chord, you can take the longest chord. In here, the longest chord is diameter. Since the diameter connects 2 points on the circle, it is also a chord. Diameter is the largest chord in the circle because it goes all the way across through the center. Okay children, now you have idea about the longest chord and also chord. Now, we have to move the next slide. Look at that. There is a circle and also center. I mark a point A on the circle, then mark B and join this line. Then there are C and D. Now, here 4 points are there. Now, when we think about the curved line of this circle, ACB curved line, this curved line you can call arc. This curved line, that means this arc is greater than the other arc. So you can call this is the major arc, and also you can name it as ABC major arc. Then ADB also curved line. So this one you can name it as ADB minor arc. In grade 8, you have to learn about arc. So we discuss about major arc and minor arc. Major arc is the biggest one, largest one. Minor arc is the smallest one. So next move to the exercise. Now take out your textbook and also writing book. Then you can do this exercise with me. Read the question. Exercise 23.1, page number 88. First question. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters and name its center O. Draw a diameter of this circle and name it PQ. Measure the length of the diameter. Okay, children, can you do this question with me? Okay, hope you are ready. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take the compass. Then take 3 centimeters for this compass and draw a circle like this. Then name its center O. Then draw diameter of this circle. Diameter. Now you know how to draw the diameter. Then name it as P and Q. Then measure the length of the diameter. Measure. When you measure the length, you can use compass. Then you can keep your compass point on P and take the length of PQ. And also you can measure using ruler. And there is a technique. What is this? You know the radius equal to 3 centimeters and OQ also 3 centimeters. Then diameter is equal to PQ. That means 3 plus 3, 6 centimeters. The diameter should be 6 centimeters. Okay, children, I think now this question is clearly. Next, move to the second question. Read the question with me. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. Mark a point A on the circle. Draw several chords starting from A. Find the length of the longest chord you have drawn. Now, first you have to draw a circle. In here, the radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Then take the compass and draw a circle. Then mark a point A on the circle. On the circle, you have to mark A. Draw several chords starting from A. Now, we can draw several chords like this. There are 5 chords in here. Find the length of the longest chord. Now you know the longest chord is a diameter. So what is this? They ask about the length. So in here the radius equal to 3.5. Then you know the relationship between radius and diameter. What is the relationship? Yes, radius, the twice of radius equal to diameter. Then you can obtain the answer is 3.5 centimeters plus 3.5. That means the longest chord should be 7 centimeters. Okay, children. Now you know how to solve the questions. Now move to the third question. What is this? Draw any circle and mark the points A, B, C and D on it. Question number 1, draw the chord AC. Question number 2, name the two arcs separated by the chord AC. First, draw a circle. Okay, hope you are ready. Now, you have to mark A, B, C, D on the circle. As you wish, you can mark. Then first question, draw the chord AC. Write A and C is there, then you can join these two points. Then second one, name the two arcs. Arcs, name the two arcs separated by the chords AC. AC chord separated this curved line into two parts. So, what are they? Now you know ADC is smallest one. Then you can write ABC major arc, ADC minor arc. Then we discuss about fourth question. What is this? Read the question. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Can you do that? Yes, you can. Then draw a circle. In here the radius equal to 4 centimeters. Then second question, draw a chord such that two equal arcs are obtained and name it AB. Draw a chord such that two equal arcs are obtained. In here you have to draw a chord, but and should be there are two equal arcs you have to obtain. That means this chord should be diameter and name it AB. Okay, then third one. What is the name suitable for the chord AB? This circle separate into two equal parts by this AB diameter. Then AB diameter. So, what is the name suitable for the chord AB? That means diameter. This chord diameter. Okay, children. The fifth question in your textbook, the first exercise, 23.1 exercise. Fifth one. There are 4 questions. What is the first question? Read the question and try to do that. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Name its center O. First, you have to draw a circle with 5 centimeters radius and center O. The second one, draw a chord is 6 centimeter in length and name it AB. Now, you have to draw a chord which is 6 centimeters. How to draw that? You can take 6 centimeters for compass and keep your compass point on the circle. Then you can draw an arc, then you can obtain that chord. Then name this chord as AB. Third question, name the midpoint of AB as P and join OP. Midpoint. Midpoint means AB separate into two equal parts. So, I name this midpoint as P and join OP. Measure and write down the magnitudes of APO and BPO. Okay, children, how to measure that angle? You can use the protractor. Here, APO angle should be 90 degrees and BPO also 90 degrees. Okay, children. Now, we did 23.1 exercise. There are 5 questions. We discuss about that questions. Now we have to learn about the other part of the circle. What is this? In grade 8 you have to learn about the segment of a circle. So what is the segment? Look at that. Segment of a circle. A region of a circle bounded by a chord and arc is called the segment of a circle. There is a circle and I draw a chord in here and separate this circle into 2 parts. There is a, now you see here green color region and also white color region. There are 2 parts. So the green color region is larger than the other. So we can call this segment major segment. The other one minor segment. So segment is the region of a circle. Segment is a region of a circle. It is bounded by chord and arc. Okay children, look at that. What is this? Yes, you know, it is pizza. Delicious that. So I separate this pizza like this, cut by chord and separate into 2 equal parts. Then the largest one major segment, the other one minor segment. Okay children, now you know this pizza is cut in wrong way. So what is the correct way? Yes, look at that. There is a pizza also. Now this pizza is cut with 2 radii and arc. Look at the diagram. There is a 2 radii. There are 2 radii and arc. So we can separate like this. So this piece we can call sector. So sector is a region of a circle. The sector is bounded by 2 radii with arc. Look at that. Sector of a circle. So there is a circle, blue color circle. I draw 2 radii in here and color this portion. Then you can obtain 2 sectors. There are 2 sectors. So blue color one is larger than the other one. So this is the major sector. Blue color one major sector. The other one is the minor sector. So what is the sector? Look at that. A region of a circle bounded by 2 radii and an arc is known as a sector of a circle. Okay children, now you know what is the meaning of sector and segments. So now we talk about central angles. What is this? Look at the diagram. You know the sector. There are 2 sectors, blue one and red one. Here there is an angle with the center. So we can call that angle central angles. In here, when we consider about the blue region, blue sector, in here you can see AOB acute angle. And also consider about the other part, other region, you can see AOB reflex angle. So the same circle but separate into 2 sectors, there are 2 central angles. Okay children, move to the next slide. There is another activity exercise. Exercise 23.2. Okay, turn to the page. Exercise 23.2. Hope you are ready. Okay children, read the question. From the given terms, select and write the most suitable terms for each of the regions indicated by an English letter. There are several terms in here. You have to select the suitable one. Look at the first diagram. There is a simple A. A, what is the meaning of A? A is, you know. Can you try to do that question? Yes, A is a chord. The second one, look at that. There is a curved line. They ask about symbol B. So, B is a major arc. Okay, children. Third question. I'll give a minute to do the third question. Try to do that. C, simple C. What is this simple C? C is a central angle. Now, look at the fourth one. Fourth one, simple D. Simple D is a region. It is bounded by chord and arc. So, you know what is the answer? The major segment. The other side you can call the minor segment. So, question number 5. Simply, there is a region also. It is also bounded by two radii and arc. So, this one the major sector. And simple F is curved line. There is a line, the small line. So, you can write the answer as a minor arc. So, next one. Look at that simple G. What is simple G? There is a region, and this region bounded by chord and arc. So, you can call this is segment. What type of segment? A minor segment. Simple H. Easy question. Why? Because you learned in grade 6, 7, 8 this part. This part is radius, and also this one is easy to write the answer, diameter. Okay children, now you know what are the topics in and you know parts of the circle. So, we hope to do the second question. What is the second question? Fill in the blanks. Can you join with me? Yes. Try to do the first one. First read the question, then you can do that. A straight line segment which joins the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called a blank of the circle. Think about the answer. A straight line segment which joins the center of the circle to any point. Yes. What is this? This is radius of the circle. Second one. The longest chord of the circle is called what is the longest chord? You learnt in that lesson. Yes, the answer should be diameter. The third question, if the diameter of the circle is 200 millimeters, then its radius is blank centimeters. Look at that question, 200 millimeters. 200 millimeters, diameter is 200 millimeters. Then, what is the relationship between diameter and radius? Yes, the twice of radius is equal to diameter. Then diameter is 200 millimeters. So, what is the value of radius? Yes, radius equal to 100 millimeters. 200 divided by 2, you can obtain 100 millimeters. but the question asks about it centimeters. Yes, then you have to convert that 100 millimeters into centimeters. What is the relationship millimeters and centimeters? Yes, children. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Then 100 millimeters divided by 10, you can obtain the answer. What is the answer? 10 centimeters. Okay, next move to the next question. A region of a circle. Look at the question. A region of a circle bounded by a chord and an arc is called a chord and arc. That means segment of a circle. The last one. A region of a circle bounded by 2 radii and an arc is called a sector of a circle. Now, you know how to do the second question also. Now, we discuss about the third question of this exercise. Read the third question. Look at that. Name the segments in the figure. Second question, shade the minor segment of the circle. So, name the segments. Segments means bounded by chord and arc. So, you can take, there are 2 segments, PSR major segment and PQR minor segment. So, second question, you have to shade the minor segment of the circle. Minor segment means the smallest one. So, you can shade PQR minor segment. Okay, children. Now, you can understand how to do the questions, how to apply these theories to the questions. Now, next move to the other question. Fourth one. There are 4 questions. Try to do that. Read the question and you can do. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters and name its center O. Okay, children, take your compass and draw the circle. Take the 3.5 centimeters for this compass and name it its center O. The second one, draw a chord AB through O. Draw a chord AB through O. Then you have to name this chord as A and B. Third one, what can you say about the 2 segments you get? In here, AB is the diameter. So, this AB separate this circle into 2 equal parts. So, they ask about what can you say about the 2 segments you get. What is the answer? Both segments are equal. Okay, children, then last question. What is the suitable name for about 2 segments? Both segments are equal. Then you can call this is semicircle. This is semicircle. The semicircle means the half of the circle. The semicircle is a half of a circle. Here, now you can see in here there are 2 segments are equal. So, you can call this is one part, that means in here the one region is named as semicircle. Okay, children, look at the 5th question. Exercise 23.2, 5th question. Can you read the question with me? Yes, I am sure you can do it. What is the name given to the shaded part of the circle? What is the name given to the shaded part of the circle? Yes, the shaded part is bounded by two radian arcs. So, this should be sector. Then second one, write down its boundaries. What are the boundaries? OX, OY and XY minor arc. In third question, they ask about what is the name given to the angle XOY. Should know XOY is the central angle. They ask about the minor sector. So, this in here the central angle is acute angle. In here the central angle acute angle. Okay children. Next move on to the sixth question. What is this question? You can read the question. Yes. Read that question. Draw a circle with center O. Mark 2 points M and N on the circle such that a minor arc and a major arc are obtained. Shade the sector with central angle equal to the reflex angle MON. Okay children, now you read the question, isn't it? Okay, then what we have to do first? Yes, draw a circle. Okay, hurry up. You can draw a circle now using compass. Draw a circle with center O. Mark 2 points M and N on the circle such that a minor arc and a major arc are obtained. Look at that. The center is O, then M and N here. Then shade the sector with central angle. They join OM and ON. Then you can obtain two sectors. Then shade the sector with central angle equal to reflex angle. There are two angles, acute and reflex. So, you have to shade reflex angle region like this. That means this shaded color, the orange color should be answer. Okay children, now here we shade the sector with central angle equal to the reflex angle. So, here MON, the orange color region is the answer. MON, orange color region means that is the reflex angle. It should be the answer because they ask about the reflex angle. Shade the sector with central angle equal to the reflex angle. So, reflex angle in here orange color region. So, now move to the next question, the seventh question in your exercise 23.2 7th question. Draw a circle with center O, draw a diameter AB, mark a point X on the circle distinct from A and B. Then first question, shade the sector AXB. Okay children, now you can draw a circle. Now you know how to draw a circle using compass and name it center O. Then you can draw the diameter as you wish. You can draw a diameter and name it the diameter as AB. Mark a point X on the circle distinct from A and B. You have to mark a point X. Then shade the sector AXB. You have to shade the sector AXB like this. The pink color region is the sector including AXB. So, the second question I asked about measure and write down the magnitude of the central angle of the sector AXB. The central angle, measure and write down. you can measure using protractor? So, the answer should be 180 degrees. So, when we measure the angle, you have to use protractor. Okay children, now we discuss about the next question. What is this? 8th question. Hope you are ready to start that question. Okay, read the question first. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Name its center O. Now you know how to draw the circle with radius 5 centimeter and name its center O. Second question, mark a point P on the circle and join OP. Now you have to mark a point P on the circle and join OP like this. Then using the protractor. Okay children, hope you are ready. Take out your protractor. Okay, then draw the sector POQ such that POQ 60 degrees. Then using that protractor, you have to keep like this. Okay, hope you are ready. Then mark 60 degrees. POQ should be 60 degrees. Now you can see how to mark that Q. Then, and also the fourth question they ask about, draw the sector QOR such that QOR angle 150. Then again you have to take your protractor and keep like this and mark 150 degrees. Now you have to start from OQ, line. Then mark 150 degrees and mark capital R. Then fifth question, they ask about name the remaining sector and write the magnitude of the central angle. Remaining sector, what is the remaining sector? In here POR angle is remaining sector. So, what is the value of magnitude of this angle? Now you know POQ 60 degrees and also QOR angle 150 degrees. So, they ask about the remaining sector, central angle of remaining sector. So, it should be 150. You can use to measure that central angle using protractor, you can obtain that central angle. Okay children, now you know parts of the circle. So, we discuss about the exercise 23.1 and 23.2. So, those are the applications of the parts of the circles. So, we did that 2 exercise. And also you learned in grade 6 and 7 these theories. So, what are they? We learned center and radius, then diameter, those things we learned in grade 6 and 7. And also grade 8, you learned segment and sector. So, what is the meaning of the sector? Sector is a region is bounded by the chord and arc, and segment means a region is bounded by the 2 radii with arc. So, look at that. And also we learn about the chord. Chord means the line segment joining 2 points on the circle. In here we learned arc. There are 2 arcs, major arc and minor arc. So, major arc means you can see in red color the largest one, In blue color, you can see the minor arc, the smallest one. You learnt about the sector. So, what is the sector? It is bounded by two radii with arc. So, look at that circles. There are two circles like this, the same one, same size. Then I cut this radius. In here also radius I cut. Then you can put like these two circles. Then when we rotate these circles, you can obtain the sector. Look at that. Here also in yellow color and blue color, there are two sectors, and you can change the side of this. Here, now the smallest sector in here. And when we rotate like this, you can obtain the semicircle also. How to do that semicircle? Look at that. When we rotate like this, you can obtain semicircle. Your semicircle. Try to do that activity at home. Today we learnt about that segment also. Segment is a region is bounded by the chord with the arc. So, there are two parts, the major segment and minor segment. Okay children, now you learned the parts of the circle, so you have to practice more. We did, there are two exercises in our textbook, we did these two exercises, so that not enough to do. So, practice more. And also I invite to a little assignment for you. What is this assignment? You can observe the history of the circle. Okay, I invite to find the more information about the history of the circle. So, hope you enjoy the lesson. So, until we meet once again, goodbye.